Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back again to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to buy cryptocurrency using P2P on Bybit. And not really cryptocurrency, but generally we are going to buy the USDT. So first of all, go ahead and open the bybit.com and then come here on buy crypto, or from here, and then choose the P2P trading. As you can see, it has 0 fees, so they are not going to take any money from you. So as you can see, now you can, by clicking on buy, then come in here, choosing the token that the currency that you are willing to purchase the USDT with. For example, they have euro, they have USD, and much other currencies. So for example, let's choose USD, and from here guys, you can choose the payment method. So for example, they have bank transfer, 7-Eleven, A Bank, ABA, and ABN AMRO. And from here, of course, you can choose whatever guy you can buy from. So just to make sure that you have zero problems during this method, just choose the right guy. And how to do so, just go ahead and check for the orders and the completion rate. So for example, this guy has 49 orders and 87 completion rates, but there's better guys like this guy. It has 63 orders and 96 completion rate. This guy is really better than this, but at the same time, this guy has a better price than this guy. It's lower, so you are going to have much more USDT. And for example, this guy is really perfect, but it's much expensive. Like he has 205 orders and 98 completion rate. So yeah, that's how you choose the right guys. Just check for the orders and the completion rate, and you will be good to go. Now after choosing the right guy for you, just click on buy USDT. Of course, you have to verify your account to choose whatever guy you want. For me, I'm just gonna choose, like, for example, this guy, not this guy, this guy. And then you put the amount that you are willing to buy, to pay with, like for example 400, and that's the amount that you will receive of USDT. After that, you will click buy. It will open a conversation with this guy, and you will have 15 minutes, I guess, to do this transaction. You will have to send him this money in his bank account, and then you will receive the USDT in your wallet in this website. So that's what it's all for good today, guys. Please leave a like and subscribe, and leave a like, and bye bye guys, have a nice day.